ACCA वर्सेस CFA वर्सेस MBA, अब तीनों कोर्सेज के बारे में सुना है बट यू आर वेरी कंफ्यूज कि कौन सा ऑप्ट करूँ। आज के वीडियो में वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट each of these three courses, which of them can be done with graduation, which one you should do after graduation, what do these courses really teach you, आपके लिए कौन सा सही कोर्स होगा मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली, राइट। ये तीनों कोर्स करने के लिए आपको क्या इन्वेस्टमेंट लगेगा एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली कोर्स खत्म करने के बाद व्हाट काइंड ऑफ जॉब्स एंड सैलरीज यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट। सो स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल द एंड and after the end of the video you definitely will be able to choose which one is the right course for you. So ACCA is everything business and finance, okay, a good mix of business and finance subjects. CFA is everything related to investment analysis, financial markets, financial planning, so hardcore finance. And MBA is basically management and business administration. So that's the way you clearly understand these three courses. Now let's dive deep. If I talk about ACCA is a course आप grade 10 के बाद कर सकते हो या grade 12 के बाद कर सकते हो. Basically alongside graduation is the best time to do it. Typically ये कोर्स करने को 2.5 से 3 साल लगते हैं and you learn all business and finance subjects overall, right? So you study finance, costing, accounting, business, strategy, like a good mix of these subjects. Having done that, you can start working at the age of 19, 20. You know, by the time you finished your graduation, you can get on to your first jobs and you can do jobs as auditor, corporate finance, business management, consulting, risks, or host of these domains, right? ACCA is accepted across the world, so there's amazing global mobility. ACCA करने के लिए आपको कम से कम 4-4.5 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट लगेगा and you can expect start salaries of anywhere upwards of 5 and 6 lakhs as soon as you begin as a fresher. CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst. Now this is again an amazing qualification with super global recognition. ये qualification again grade 12 के बाद आप इसकी तैयारी शुरू कर सकते हो when you're in your first year and you can start your exams from the second year of your graduation. ये कोर्स करने के लिए करीबन 3 साल लगते हैं. It's divided into 3 levels. Typically आप ये कोर्स में everything around hardcore finance सीख जाते हो. So you study subjects like global economics, equity market, bond markets, derivatives, portfolio planning, corporate finance. So basically you study everything around global capital markets and investment analysis. CFA करने के बाद you can work across BFSI, commercial banks, private equity, hedge funds, investment banks. You can work in these kind of organizations. और आप अनेकों रोल्स में काम कर सकते हो, like an investment banker, like a portfolio manager, investment officer, wealth planner, financial analyst and so on. CFA करने के लिए करीबन 4.5 लाख का इन्वेस्टमेंट लगता है and as soon as you complete your graduation, आपका first job typically you can expect salaries upwards of 6-7 lakh rupees. Now at this stage, if you want to know more about ACCA versus CFA और आपको ये समझना है कि which course will match your aptitude, there is a detailed video on this which is flashing on your screens. Do go and watch it out and I think you'll be able to understand which one of the two you should be opting for. Now let me take you to the next course which is MBA. Now let's talk about MBA. MBA सबसे पहले graduation के बाद होता है, तो while you're graduating आपको MBA का सोचना ही नहीं है. And how do you get to an MBA B school? So you need to first crack an entrance exam, either CAT or a CET, which is fairly competitive. Having done that, basis your score, then there'll be a group discussion and a personal interview, and वो पूरे experience के बाद you will be selected to a B school, जहाँ obviously limited seats होते हैं. So getting into a good B school is always challenging. वैसे तो इंडिया में बहुत B schools हैं, but obviously the premium ones being IIMs, ISBs, etc. And then there are several other B schools like Jamnadas, Rajas, PJN, Symbiosis, etc. You must do an MBA only from the top 15-20 B schools, otherwise only then it's worth it. Any MBA program typically is 2 years, with the first year focusing on general business and finance subjects, and second year you land up super specializing in finance, marketing, HR, etc. And then you get on to your jobs. Now obviously the quality of your jobs will be dependent on यार आपने graduation कौन से college से किया है, उसके साथ साथ आपके कोई प्रोफेशनल क्वालिफिकेशंस है, कोई वर्क एक्सपीरियंस है, और फिर आप MBA करते हो, देन यू कैन अकॉर्डिंगली एक्सपेक्ट अ पैकेज. Typically packages, from premium B schools can range anywhere between 10-12 lakhs to 20-25 lakhs and even more. But like I said, it's lot dependent on आपका फाउंडेशन किस तरह का करेगा है, right? Typical MBA investment is anywhere between 15 to 25 lakh of rupees in India, depending on again the quality of B school that you're going to. So what is our message to students? When you're graduating, don't think of an MBA. Think of doing a graduation with some professional qualification. या आपने ACCA or CFA उठा लिया, because that is what is the subject of discussion in this video. But other than that also, if you're doing any other qualification, जैसे आप CA कर रहे हैं या कोई और भी qualification कर रहे हैं, wonderful. Make your graduation very very interesting and very very substantial. उसके बाद आप थोड़ा सा काम करें, take some years of work experience and then do an MBA. I think that's going to be more of a stunning experience. I hope this video helps.